Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KVS, your mentor for JEE, Mains, CBSE, Advanced and all other competitive exams. My motto is I want to make the math is very easy for the coming all types of entrance examinations. Just follow my channel to get wonderful result in the coming exams. So just support my channel to bring the best in and the best way to solve the questions in JEE, Mains and Advanced. So in this video, I would like to bring one more concept in the parabola. Here you can see. So minimum distance between parabola and circle. Parabola and circle, minimum distance between these two. Yes, the minimum distance between these two is given. Minimum distance. Yeah, so maybe circle is inside, or circle may be outside, maybe circle here, circle may be here or here, you can take anywhere. The circle is here or circle is here or maybe, but generally I have taken the circle within the parabola here, right? So if the circle is here, this length is the minimum distance. So when they are apart from each other, if the two circle touches means the minimum distance might be 0 here. The circles touches each other, so minimum distance may be 0, right? If the circle is here, so we can guarantee that this is the minimum distance, and again the circle is here, this is the minimum distance. So here C is the center of the circle, and P is any point on the circle on the circumference P is given, and Q is any point on the parabola here. So if I go here, the length is more here. But if I say this is a minimum distance, so minimum distance, so PQ is the minimum length, PQ is the minimum distance, where C is the center of the circle and the CP is the radius of the circle here. So therefore minimum distance is D minus R, where D is center to any point in the parabola, distance between center to any point on the parabola. So therefore D minus R is the required minimum distance. In the first slide, I have given one question. Why the minimum distance is along the normal? Think and you can text me to know that. So here is the question in JEE 2024 session 1 given here. You can see if the shortest distance of the parabola y squared is equal to 4x, the shortest distance between the parabola y squared is equal to 4x, that means A is given by 1 unit. From the center of the circle, circle is given x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 16y plus 64 is given by 0. Therefore center is 2 comma 8, center is 2 comma 8. So radius will be root over 4 plus 64 minus 64. Radius is given by 2 here, right? So center of the circle lies outside the parabola. So therefore I have taken circle here, and the parabola graph is like this. So subject to, just I'm writing here, this is the graph of the y squared is equal to 4x here, right? So this is the minimum distance, as I said earlier, minimum distance here. So generally the minimum distance is along the normal. So let any point on the parabola is p t squared comma 2t, because here a is given by 1 unit. So we know the formula to write the equation of the normal. So in the next lesson, I may solve this question by using calculus also. But here I am using normal equation y plus xt. Y plus xt is equal to 2at plus at power 3. This is a normal equation at any point on the parabola here. So it passes through the center of the circle, because normal to the circle, because which is common to both, definitely passes to the center of the circle, 2 comma 8 here. That means 8 plus 2t. 8 plus 2t is equal to 2at. That means 2t plus t power 3. So therefore t cube is equal to 8. So real root is t is equal to. So t is equal to means the coordinates of p will be 4 comma 4 here. So after getting 4 comma 4, I want to find the minimum distance. From, minimum distance from, minimum distance between these two here, right? I got the point on the parabola. That means 4 comma 4 here. So point is 4 comma 4 here, right? 4 comma 4 here. So that means distance from center to this one, that means which is given by root over 4 plus 16, 20 is given, root over 20 is given. So here not the minimum distance actually. So this is given center to the point on the parabola is given. So obviously from d is root over 20. So therefore d square is equal you can understand here. I thought of minimum distance, but here d square is given by 20. So thank you so much.